I gotta say, this is one of the best lake shorelines in the entire Cascade Lake Scenic Byway area. We are here on the shoreline of Cultus Lake, near Cultus Resort on the road to Cultus Lake Campground. And you pull over on the shoulder and you come out to this little day-use picnic site. Really, you've got some restrooms, some picnic tables, really have a world-class swimming area. You come around here and show you this lake. Oh my gosh, look at how awesome this is. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at this, my friends. The beautiful Cultus Lake. Oh, this is awesome. See how they've left like some mango trees right there to give you perspective. You can see a picnic table over there. This area has picnic table day use sites strewn all about this gorgeous beach shoreline. Let me pan around here and show you. You've got a couple picnic tables there. Oh man, this is gorgeous. Let me peek back and show you the sun trying to peek through these gray, ominous dark clouds. Today is October 16, 2025. We are in fall and the weather is turning, my friends. It was 27 when I got here this morning. It is now later in the day. It's warmed up a little bit, but definitely still very cold. You can sense the crispness in the air. Fall is coming and then winter is coming, my friend. Oh, this is beautiful. The world-class, incredible, dream day-use picnic shoreline of Cultus Lake. This is epic. Can I interest you in an Alpine Lake Beach Wonderland? I'm sitting here on the shoreline of Cultus Lake here in Deschutes National Forest, Central Oregon. Something about the way this particular lake is situated, where the wind makes the waves crash up against the shore, is absolutely beautiful. I love the way they've designed this. They have these rustic logs strewn about the shoreline. They have high quality day-use rustic picnic sites and this absolutely incredible beach. Look at how absolutely beautiful this incredible lake is. So I want to point out this beautiful sun peeking above Deschutes National Forest, all its mighty splendor lighting up this Wonderland zone. Oh, this is gorgeous. Particularly a high quality water sports zone for boating, kayaking, canoeing, rafting. We love this area. I would say of all the lakes here in Central Oregon, this lake gives the strongest Oregon coast vibes. Feels like you're in a little section, a little swath of the Oregon beach, the Oregon coast. You just happen to be in the high alpine country in Central Oregon, Cascade Lakes Scenic Byway, Deschutes National Forest. This area, my friend, is absolutely beautiful. Good morning from Cultus Lake. I'm here in Deschutes National Forest, Central Oregon. It's about 9:30 a.m. A little bit of ethereal mist on Cultus Lake. Today is October 21st, 2025. In the last week or so of the season, campgrounds are closed. It's 30 degrees out. Nevertheless, thought I'd get one more trip here down to Cascade Lake Scenic Byway. Enjoy the beauty that is Cultus Lake. Say goodbye for the summer season as the Snowmageddon comes in, closes this area down for the next 8 to 9 months. This is beautiful. Here's our day use area adjacent to Cultus Lake Campground. It's just before you get to Cultus Lake Campground on your left, on the shoreline of beautiful Cultus Lake. They're very clear they don't want you to try to backcountry camp in this zone. You can see why it'd be tempting, but that is a big no-no, so don't do that. You do have what looks like a picnic site right here, day use picnic site with a money shot, a beautiful Cultus Lake. Look at this. This is a premium picnic day use area, my friend. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Even a little fire pit there for day use. Oh man, I can see why somebody would want to camp here. That's why I have signs everywhere that says, do not camp. I'll also point out there's another day use picnic site right over there. So you got one there and one here. These look to be the two that comprise this day use picnic area. Oh, look at those views. Can I interest you in an Alpine Lake Forest Wonderland, my friend? This is epic. Imagine coming with your party, with your family, with your friends, whoever it is, and sitting right here, enjoying some lunch, picnic, cold refreshment, and just staring at the beauty that is Cultus Lake. This is a Wonderland zone, my friend, a genuine destination. This is beautiful.